Welcome to part 4 of the tutorial. So if you're here, you probably ran into some motion analysis, redundancy errors or calculation errors. So to solve that, we're going to create subassemblies. And then what this does is it simplifies the calculation and it reduces the redundancies so SolidWorks can calculate more efficiently. Another benefit of doing subassemblies is that it speeds up the motion analysis calculations too. So the basic technique we're going to use is to hide the parts we're going to make into a subassembly, and then highlighting the hidden parts in the tree and right-clicking to form a new subassembly. So how do we know what parts go into one subassembly? So a way to think about this is a subassembly is basically a rigid part. So it does not move relative to another part. So for example, we created a subassembly before, and it is the crankshaft, because this crankshaft is one whole rigid body. So for example, the whole base could be one rigid body. So what I'll do is create a rigid body that includes the base. So within the rigid body, no objects move relative to one another. So once you know how to create one subassembly, the rest is the same thing, so it'll be a lot simpler to do. So let's create a subassembly with respect to the base and things that don't move with respect to the base. So to quickly hide parts, you just hover over a part and press tab. So let's select these two, since these don't move with respect to the base. Okay, now we select all the parts we have hidden. And as you can see, this is one whole rigid body. So now, with all these highlighted, right-click, form new subassembly. Click move. And then our new subassembly is here. And then what you want to do is just keep it hidden for now. Later we can unhide it after we finish everything. Make this float. Don't worry about if it's fixed because it's within a subassembly. But just make it float just in case we encounter some problems later. Just float. Save all. Yes. And just keep it hidden for now. So next, let's move on to the wheels. Here's select, form new subassembly, and let's just let's hide this for now so we don't get mixed up. Same thing here. And then we already did the crankshaft, so let's just hide that now. And then this will be one subassembly by itself. Again, let's hide that. And now for the legs. And then we select that the things that are hidden. Form new subassembly. And let's hide this part as well. Make sure you don't accidentally select the subassemblies we created earlier. And then the last is this leg. So by the end, your tree should look something like this. It's much more organized. It's all subassemblies except for the ground. So now we want to edit scene. Not edit scene. Show hidden components. And then you just want to select everything. So now all of your components are unhidden. Just make sure nothing's hidden within the tree. Okay. So now your tree structure looks like this. And all these parts belong to a certain subassembly. And by doing this, you ease the motion analysis calculation. So now with our subassemblies, if we calculate our motion studies now, it'll be at least 2 to 3 times faster than before. So if we take a look at our motion study, and then hit calculate, it's much faster. So not only does it make the calculation faster, it also reduces the redundancies. And by that, it also reduces the errors that SolidWorks will have when calculating these motion analysis. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.